This is a demo we did for a company called Calidad Pascual in Spain. I'm going to flash a QR code. Here we can start from a QR code which is on the packaging of the product and which is opening a web page.
Welcome to Vivesoy. To get your free gifts, click Continue. Scan the barcode of your Vivesoy beverage or enter the number manually.
So our system can scan barcodes using the web camera.
You have scanned the Vivesoy almond and cashew nut drink. Have you already tried this product? How would you rate the quality of the drinks in the Vivesoy line? Ready for the contest?
So it's accessing the camera, and you can see we are doing augmented reality. So I have a nice Christmas hat, for example, and some virtual snow, which can still be removed. So I'm going to take my picture.
Let's see if you've won.
So as per the backend, you can see here, for example, I should see my picture somewhere here. Yeah, this is correct. You can see here all the data as per the entire set of users with some charts for the various questions. We can track the evolution in time of a specific question. So for example, for people answering about the quality of the drinks, we can see this on a chart and follow the evolution of the consumer sentiment.